In this video we'll teach you how to get Robux with Microsoft Rewards points. First of all, you need to open your Microsoft Edge browser and you need to go to the rewards.bing.com. If you don't have a Microsoft account, first of all create an account or just log into your account. After you will log into your account, you will see your available points balance right here. As you can see, I have got 468 points, and if I want to get more points, there are daily tasks. Also, there is a referral program right here, and I can earn as much as I want. So when you scroll down, you will see this advertisement right here: get 100 points with search bar. Enable search bar and search with it for 3 days to earn 100 points. So you can get 100 points with this search bar. Also, when you scroll down, there are daily tasks, and here, as you can see, we can earn 5 points, 15 points with completing this task. So there are a lot of tasks. Also, there is a referral program. You can invite your friend, and if they will reach 1,500 points, you will get a reward 7,500 points, guys. So this video is about how to get Robux with these points, and when you reach enough amount of points, you can click on redeem right here, and as you can see, Roblox will be in the top. When you click on Roblox, there is an option to redeem your rewards into Robux. We have got 3 different options: 400 Robux, 800 and 1000 Robux. If we want the minimum amount is 400 Robux, and we need to have 6,750 points to redeem 400 Robux, guys. So when you reach this amount of points, you can go to this page and redeem your Microsoft points into Robux. You can also tick this auto redeem, and when you reach this amount, it automatically redeems. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.